Wow!
Mama, wow! It's a vending machine?
Yes, Amaira.
Amairasfuntime!
Oh, I forgot to order dresses for Amaira. I have to search. Wait. This look good. This is much better. Amaira will look good in this Minnie Mouse dress.
Mama, what we're doing?
I'm shopping for you, Amaira.
But Mama, I'm hungry.
Oh, what do you want to eat?
I want to eat ice cream and fruit juice.
Let me order one vending machine for you. Okay? Order! Wow!
Mama, wow! It's a vending machine?
Yes, Amaira.
Okay, tell me how you open this thing.
You want to play with me?
Yeah!
Okay, let's go. Let's open, Amaira. Let's
Okay.
open.
I know how to open it, Mama.
Okay.
Wait a second. Let's open it.
Okay.
Oh, you are doing this also. So, you are ready?
Yes, I am ready, Amaira.
Let's open it.
Okay, let's open it.
You like the gift. Wow! It's awesome!
Yes, it's awesome.
How
First,
you
let's take this out.
Yeah! Let's take this out. You know what is this? You put some money inside and then
Wait, first
you have
let's
to
take
press
out.
this
Okay, Amaira.
and press something.
First, let's take out everything like this. Okay? Okay?
This is Coca-Cola.
Yes, Amaira. And
That's why we put it up here.
okay, this is, and what is this, Amaira? You have to tell me.
Coca-Cola.
Wow, see, Amaira, there's a milky bottle. That's fruit juice. This is ice cream and a Coca-Cola. Nice. Okay, nice. You are putting it very nice, correctly, very nice. Put more milky bottles also. Fruit juices. Are you doing ultu?
Yeah.
Okay.
But
Yes, Amaira, we have to put it here. No, that's wrong. Yeah. Milk. Okay, one more bottle. Very nice. Okay, where are the coins? Where are the money?
Mama, what are these?
Amaira, this is ice cream coin.
Okay.
And this is Coca-Cola coin.
This is
And this one is milk for the milk bottle.
open this.
This one is for the fruit juice, your favorite.
Okay. My favorite is first ice cream. Let me put first.
Okay.
Oh, you know, Mama, I know how to do this. I will teach you. This coin is for ice cream. See the match?
Yes, Amaira, I can see that.
And do this here. Now it is doing this. Then to that. Thank you. Come again.
Is your ice cream ready, Amaira?
Yeah, ice cream cake.
Yeah, yummy.
Okay, Mama. What one do I first?
Now I want Coke, Amaira.
Coke. I mean Coca.
Okay.
Let me just press this and put this on. Now I just put this.
Wow.
Thank you.
Nice.
Can't you come again?
Nice.
You like cold drink?
Yes, Amaira, I like cold drink.
Here. Thank you.
Yes. Okay, now can you give me milk, please?
Milk.
Yes, I want.
One milk? Okay.
Because it make both of us very strong.
Okay, I will give you milk.
Okay.
Which one? I will take one milky one.
Okay.
Right there. Put it up in our mayonnaise inside. Good. Now we just put this in. We just take one here. We put a song. Then here. And now we put this again. Thank you. What do you want to buy?
Now I want fruit juice.
Fruit juice?
Yes, I want fruit juice.
Take it. Fruit juice is this. Let's put down. First, let's put the corn. On
Okay.
the side. Then we put this one here.
Wow, my fruit juice is ready, Amaira.
Yum 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 yum.
We got all the things from the vending machine.
Oh,
okay,
yeah.
let's drink. Okay.
First, let's drink the milk.
Okay, Amaira.
Milk?
This is milk?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. Cheers.
Cheers.
Yummy. Wow, it was yummy. Now, favorite fruit juice. Cheers.
Mom, I'm still hungry.
You're still hungry? What do you want to eat, Amaira?
More ice cream, no, more Coca-Cola, more kids.
More ice cream? Oh my god, she wants more.
And more Coca-Cola, more ice cream, more
Oh my god, okay.
And more food you do.
Okay, we can have it. We have a beautiful vending machine at our home. Okay, let's drink.